Hey, this is Shen from CEREC Asia. I'm here to talk about our CEREC Ultimate Experience event that's coming up. But first, I want to say that I really hope all of you are staying safe and healthy during this COVID-19 pandemic. Needless to say, the virus has drastically changed our way of life, not just in the way that we live, the way that we work, but also in the way that we learn. For many parts of the world, attending a lecture or workshop poses an extra level of risk that isn't quite trivial, not to mention the inconvenience, especially if you're crossing borders. But that doesn't mean that we should stop learning. And this year, in 2020, the CEREC Ultimate Experience is streaming live demonstrations plus a full day of short 40-minute online webinars covering the most important topics of digital dentistry and chairside CAD/CAM, just to get you started. As the head of our department for Anterior Aesthetics, my lecture will be focused on a systematic approach for aesthetic restorations using chairside CAD/CAM. Now, I think the biggest problem with the current education in dental aesthetics is that there are too many different stylized approaches to the same workflow. And unless you're already doing the treatment yourself, sometimes it's difficult to recognize which components and which steps are actually important and useful and which are just red herring. So what I hope to do in my short lecture is to cut out the fat and let you know exactly what you need to achieve a workflow that suits you, what skills are involved in a chairside procedure, how to practice these skills, and if you're not there yet, what can you achieve while you're still learning the ropes? Which software and hardware are necessary, and what alternatives do you have if you're unable to get them? What combinations of materials should you stop out in your clinic depending on the patient demographic? And how to recognize contraindications in patients in relation to the materials that you have, and a few other topics. Now, can we fit all that into 40 minutes? Well, I'm certainly going to try. Anyway, thank you for the time to watch this video. Once again, I'm Shen, and I hope that you'll join us online on September the 13th. See you then.